Denim jacket on with this shirt from Zara which says, so is Goofy a dog or what? And then Mickey Mouse is thinking. We all want to know the answer. I hope so. And I have this baggy jeans. Like this is all Zara look except for the shoes. They are going to be Adidas. I'm eating pav bhaji and his mom. Hi guys, right now we're on the plane and no one is sitting beside us. That's great. So right now the time is okay. So we are in Udaipur. It's super. Here we have Nani. Hello बोलो. Hello. अब आप बताओ कि आप ब्लॉग्स क्यों नहीं डाल रहे हो, अब वीडियो क्यों नहीं डाल रहे यूट्यूब पे? डालूंगी तो अब आपको मिलेगा डालेंगी नानी जी की बात नानी जी के साथ. नीचे लिंक होगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. एंड सी यू इन द
ऑडी आ गई ऑडी
आपने ऑडी मंगवाई थी? This is the car we are going to the hotel. I didn't know there was an Audi.